Hi guys! So for today's video is super duper exciting because, oh my god, I can't remember the last time I did this, but we are going to play around with the new Detail Cosmetics Multidimensional Eyes 12 Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $749. So titignan natin if worth it nga ba ang $749. And oh my god, you guys, ichika ko lang ha. This is so nostalgic kasi way back, many years ago, gumawa ko ng video featuring yung mga first eyeshadow palettes ng Detail Cosmetics. Detail Makeover pa yung pangalan nila noon. So now na meron silang bagong, like, you know, eyeshadow palette, solo eyeshadow palette, it brings warmth to my heart. Ganon! Before anything else, let me put a jelly plumper from Detail Cosmetics as well to prep our lips. Okay, so pag binili nyo yung eyeshadow, it comes with a box like this. Tapos sa likod, yung mga shade name as well as yung ingredients. So this is a warm eyeshadow palette. Sabi dito, merong 7 velvety mattes, 2 creamy satins, 1 iridescent metallic eyeshadow, and 2 glistening glitter toppers. Sa madaling salita, merong 7 mattes and then merong 5 shiny shimmering splendid. I'm gonna be completely honest, this is the second time I'll be filming this kasi yung first time, nakorrupt yung memory card ko. So, kailangan ko ulitin yung mga eyeshadow looks na ginawa ko doon. Anyway, this is the palette itself. Ito yung packaging. You have a clear acrylic na, oh my god, may bigat ng very slight. Hindi naman super, pero alam mo yung may shallow feels. Aminin mo yan. Pag mabigat yung item, may kind of shallow feels. And guys, merong naka-engrave na detail. Do you see it? So, kasama yan sa binayaran mo sa $749. Okay, so iswatch muna natin yung mga eyeshadows. By the way guys, nasabi ko ba to? This is the Soleil makeup palette. Ito yung warm tone. And then meron pang other 2 variants which is for neutrals and for cool tones. So, explain ko medyo in layman's term yung itsura ng mga eyeshadow in person, you guys ha. Etong si Nectar is like a really light yellow shade. Etong si Ethereal is like a champagne color pero may peachy undertone. Etong si Ember is a shiny shimmering pink and orange pero predominantly pink. Etong si Molten is predominantly orange to shiny shimmering. Etong si Ethereal is a light bronze. Etong si Nectar is a deep bronze. Si Buff is like, for me, these two are like highlighting powders for the eyebrows. Si Buff is like beige but yellow undertone. Si Solstice is like pinky undertone. Si Aura is mauve pink. Si Blaze is kind of like this pero matte. And then si Tan is a light brown with orange undertone. At si Dusk is a really deep brown. So I'm going to put a radiance tint muna sa eyelids ko para may kapitan yung eyeshadow. So, huwag kayong maglalagay ng eyeshadow on your bare skin sa eyelids kasi definitely hindi kakapit yung eyeshadow. Kahit gaano pa kaganda yan, hindi yan kakapit kung wala siyang kakapitan at balat lang natin. First shade I'm going to use is this shade right here, Tan. And then ito ang gagamitin ko ang transition shade all over my eyelids. Focusing mainly sa outer more than the inner. And then I'm going to take Flare using my finger. And then I'm going to take Dusk and focus it sa outer corners para magkaroon ng depth or dimension yung eyelids. Doesn't have to be perfect kasi we can always clean the edges. Then I'm going to take Buff. Lilinisin ko yung mga outer corners using that shade. And then we're just going to clean the outer edges. I'm no makeup expert, you guys. Kaya ito ang aking technique. And then mag-eyeliner lang ako. And then I'm going to fill in my brows using Detail Cosmetics Superfine Eyeliner. Next I'm going to do is use my Get Ready Me Cosmetics SPF BFF to achieve that inner glow. Kasi bukod sa sunscreen, this is also a makeup primer. For foundation, I'm going to use Vice Cosmetics Dream Focus Weightless Foundation. Pero dahil medyo thick pa to my liking, I'm going to add a little bit of SPF BFF para medyo lumubnaw pa siya ng konti. And then I'm just going to use a beauty sponge to blend it kasi ayoko ng like 100% full coverage and cakey. I still want that, you know, dewy glow. A little bit of radiance tint under my eyes. First using my fingers and then mamaya beauty sponge. Next I'm going to do is complete the eyes. Whatever I put on top, I'm basically going to put it sa baba. Pero I'm going to focus mainly kay Tan and kay Dusk. Okay guys, I'm gonna be honest, medyo na-orangehan ako sa ginawa kong to. Dapat mamaya pa yung parang orange concept. So I'm going to take bronzed. At yun ang ilalagay ko dun sa shiny shimmering part. Ay, oh, mas bongga. I love it. Mamaya na tayo mag-orangey. So, let me finish my entire face muna. Alright guys, so this is the first look. Well, this is definitely not for every day, but I would consider this as a soft glam makeup. This is definitely something you can wear for events or if you're going to attend a wedding and whatnot. Mamaya ko na i-share yung full thoughts ko about the palette, ha? So yeah, this is the first look. Now we are off to do the second look. So first I'm going to is get Blaze. And then yun ang gagawin ko ang transition shade. And then I'm going to take Ember. And then i-apply ko siya all over my eyelids. And then I'm going to take Dust again and apply it sa outer corners, just like what we did sa first one, to, you know, add depth and dimension sa eyelids natin. The edges doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to clean it up as well. I'm going to take a Radiance Tint again and then use my finger. And then I'm going to put it dito sa gitna. And then I'm going to take Molten and then put it doon kung saan natin nilagay yung Radiance Tint. And then I'm going to take Nectar. Yun yung ipanglilinis ko sa outer edge. And then I'm going to clean the outer edge. And then whatever I put on top, I'm going to put at the bottom. I'm going to put eyeliner. Alright guys, so this is the second look and this is like the sunset sunshine look. Kasi nga ang title ng palette ito is Soleil, which is like sun or sunset in French. I'm not sure. So kung mapapansin nyo, this entire palette is predominantly like orange or peachy vibe, hence the name Soleil. By the way guys, I'm not an expert when it comes to applying eyeshadow. I'm just doing my best to showcase to you the palette. Now let's proceed with the third of the many looks you can do with this palette. This is going to be all matte. This is the first two look ng shiny shimmer na tayo. Mag-matte naman tayo ngayon. First I'm gonna do is I'm going to get Aura. Then I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. And then I'm going to get Dust. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids close to lash area. And then, whatever I put on top, I'm gonna put at the bottom as well habang may mga fallouts pa para isang linisan na lang mamaya. Okay, so time to clean the fallouts. I'm going to highlight the brow bone. I'm just going to put a little bit of eyeliner and then mascara and then we're good. Alright guys, so this is the last look and I am officially tired. This is like a grungy 90s vibe makeup. But you know what? It's time for my final thoughts. Well, first of all, kitang-kita nyo naman, ang daming looks na pwede nyo gawin with this palette. You can go with the overall theme na, you know, orangey, peachy, sunset, ganyan. Pero you can also achieve like a solid bronze brown makeup or this one. Actually, you can also do pinky makeup, lalo na itong si Aura or purpley eyeshadow. Lagyan mo lang ng dusk. Dami mong looks na pwedeng gawin dito. May it be for everyday or for events or special occasions. Maganda naman yung color selection. Pero asahan mo nga, majority nun is orangey or peachy based. Kaya nga Soleil ang pangalan ng palette na to. Now, performance-wise, madali naman siyang i-blend. It's pigmented naman, pero this is not the type of eyeshadow na it's not creamy buttery. It's still on the powdery side. Magkakaroon pa rin ng kickback. Magkakaroon pa rin ng mga fallouts here and there, pero hindi naman like yung sobrang lalang fallouts. And itong Molten, ito ata yung parang eyeshadow topper na sinasabi nila. It's not as brilliant as I want it to be. It's not that metallic-y. It's not that glittery or shiny shimmery. Medyo subtle pa rin siya in a way. So, doon lang ako medyo nasad. Kasi dito sa pan, parang kala mo, diba? Like, matingkad, like, metallic and glittery. Pero pag in-apply mo na siya, it's still subtle. So, doon lang ako medyo nasad. Pero honestly, aside from dusk, halos lahat ng mga nasa pan is still on the muted side. Hindi siya like yung bright. Pwera siguro dito kay Nectar na pag in-apply mo, yellow talaga. Pero hindi pa rin siya yung parang bright. It's still on the muted. You have the pigment, makikita mo yung color, pero hindi siya yung parang traffic cone, traffic light-ish. In other words, if you want an avant-garde type of makeup, pwede to, pero hindi pa rin siya sapat. Pero overall, I enjoyed using the palette. And I can see myself reaching for this mapa everyday man o mapa my events. Ngayon, sulit na ba ang $749? Feeling ko, oo. With the dami ng palettes, with the packaging na may weight, hindi ka mahihiyang like ilabas ito, or ipagamit, or ipahiram sa iba. Alam mo ganun feels. $749 for me is sulit na. Pero pag ito, umakyat ng $800 to $900, yun yung medyo masasabi kong overpriced. Saktong-sakto na yung $750 para sa kanya. So yeah, pasado sa akin tong multidimensional eyes. Ngayon, which one to get? May mga label naman yon kapag bumili ka. This one is for warm tone. Kung hindi ka naman maarte kung warm, neutral, or cool tone. I do believe ang pinaka-flexible na talaga is itong Soleil. Anyway guys, ginabi na tayo. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!